What's up, everybody? Day 2 of the bumper build. What we're going to do today is we got to get the bumper outside. We're going to grind and sand everything nice and smooth on it. Stayed up pretty late getting this thing all welded up. Not too terrible of a job, just a lot of welding, you know, nothing major. What we did find was when we went off the directions and did the passenger side, it seemed to take a lot longer. So when we switched to the driver's side, we already had an idea what was going to happen. We just kind of fit everything up super loose and then came through and tacked it in. Whereas this one, it wanted us to go through and tack one piece and put another piece up and then tack it all in. But by just hanging them all loose with a good set of magnets and everything, I highly recommend doing that because it took way less time to get this side to fit up better. But for now, I'm gonna get the bumper outside. We got tons of grinding wheels and sanding discs. We're gonna get this thing all nice and smooth, get it mounted on the 4Runner, and then start building the tire swing out and the gas can swing out. So let's get started.